Morning, everybody. Singing assembly time. Little warm-up song for us. My aunt came back. And you repeat after me. My aunt came back from old Japan. She brought me back a wooden fan. A wooden fan from Japan. So that's the action. The actions are important. My aunt came back from Amsterdam to she brought me back a wooden shoe. And then you have to tap your foot. So we've got the wooden fan and the wooden shoe. Like that. Wooden fan from Japan. Wooden shoe from Amsterdam too. And we should be able to join in with the rest of the song. My aunt came back.
My aunt came back
From old Japan.
from old Japan.
She brought me back
She brought me back
a wooden fan.
a wooden fan.
My aunt came back
My aunt
Keep
came
going.
back
from Amsterdam to
from Amsterdam to
she brought me back
she brought me
Tap
back
a wooden shoe.
a wooden shoe.
My aunt came back
My aunt came back
from old Algiers.
from old Algiers.
She brought me back
She brought me back
some garden shears.
some garden shears.
My aunt came back. Keep your
My
foot tapping.
aunt came back
From Guadeloupe.
from Guadeloupe.
She brought me back
She brought me back
a hula hoop.
a hula hoop.
My aunt came back
My aunt came back
from Montserrat.
from Montserrat.
She brought me back
She brought me back
a floppy hat.
a floppy hat.
My aunt came back
My aunt came back
from old Japan.
from old Japan.
She brought me back
She brought me back
a wooden fan.
a wooden fan.
Warmed up? Good.